Putting together is easy. First, find the two poles. Open up the Velcro. On both sides, there will be 2 strips of Velcro. You will then see the holes to which you need to insert the poles into. Push each pole all the way to the back until it looks like this. Then close both Velcro straps right back up. It should be a sturdy box shape now. Here is the leash. Hook it right up to Puppy's collar. Here is our WOPET booster seat, all set up and ready to be used by the puppy. So there are 3 straps. One of them goes back around behind the headrest, comes back here. It clicks nicely in over here, and you just need to make sure that you tighten it with that little adjuster right here. And it's a back and forth with this one too, but you want to make sure that it is upright and positioned so that the bottom is flat on the seat and the back is up against the car seat. And then the second strap you probably want to do is the other one that goes back around the headrest. So one end is here with a really nice hook. Another end is here with another nice hook. Pull it around the back of the seat, back of the headrest, and then latch it back over here again. And just like we did the other one, tighten as necessary so that it's pretty good and not going anywhere. And the third strap comes out of the bottom over here, wraps around the back of the seat, and connects up to the other one, which is down the side of my car seat there. Very hard to see it, but there it is, right in the middle. And it is fed around the back. There it is, fed around the back. And there is an adjuster on this one too. And there it is, now that you're seeing it, right in the middle of the screen. So you get all 3 adjusted. You have the leash for puppy, and you want to make sure, again, this is another adjustment right here. Make sure that that's adjusted so that the dog really can't go anywhere but stay in its nice mesh and protective booster seat. So your animal, you could even put a cat in here if you wanted, would still have a way to see the world, see you, and be more safe and secure than just sitting in a normal seat and flying around in the car if you come to a sudden stop. So this will protect it very well from flying around. Just adjust everything as necessary so it's nice and tight so that the car seat and ultimately your best friend there is not going to go flying around the car. Let's see puppy in the car seat. Are we ready? Here we go. Here's Domino in her car seat. So I've adjusted the latch all the way to the end. This is the shortest I can make it. And she's held in pretty securely. It's not going anywhere. There's a sturdy pole that comes in here when you get it. And these are the poles we loaded in on the side. And there's a really cool zipper pouch here in the front as well. And you can put whatever you want on the inside there. That'll fit anyway. And Domino's here, behaving like a good sport. So we like our new WOPET booster seat for Domino. She may not like it as much, but you know, it's better than her flying around in the car. Let's keep everyone safe, including our lovely pet. Just so you know, she is between 20 and 25 pounds, and she nicely and comfortably fits in the booster seat. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Have a good day.